Yesterday was my first day officially switching into build AI-powered features at work. Honestly, it already feels like I stepped into a completely different game. You just want to check what's going on? Let me show you. Here. That morning, I didn't start with coding. I actually started with a mom's life. There is a daycare in YMCA. It's really...
What's Dad's name?
English muffin.
Muffin.
They call it English muffin. You want it? Let me cook. I needed a few minutes. After I cook, I will tell you. I was taking baby and my toddler to the YMCA daycare. A lady taking care of them. I got 1 hour of screen time. I sit there, laptop open, reading through meeting materials, trying to understand what's going on. Just in that context, so I don't walk into the meeting completely blind. At that meeting, we do have a PM. Not really a PM. He oversees AI across products. He understands the big picture. Doesn't know exactly how our product should become AI powered yet. The product line we are specifically responsible for. The meeting pretty much is like, go explore, find the gaps, figure out what AI should do here. The tone is very clear. This is happening. If you are not on board, you are out. That's hardcore. What's interesting is our company already has a lot of AI pieces in place. So AI-driven features, data pipelines, and surveys or some service already wired up. Now, the question is different. Where does AI actually add value? When something doesn't work, is it an AI limitation or is it a system limitation? That's the part no one gives you answers for. Right after the meeting, I didn't wait. I started reaching out to people, service engineers, endpoint engineers, someone from the AI side. I ask simple questions. What are you looking for? What resources are you already have or you are using? Where are you planning to get started? I got all this information. The service team gave me really useful directions, like what inspires them and what they are exploring. The AI engineer, he used to be a full stack engineer like me. Now he is fully in AI. He didn't give me the direct answer. He pointed me to the right Slack channel. Now I gathered resources, conversations, links, and threw it all into AI tools. I'm so glad our company already wired all this up. First step, have to set up the environment. That's where it really hit because I've been busy with front-end work since, especially jumping straight into the big features release right after my maternity leave. I haven't touched Docker in a while. Everything expired. Docker access, Kubernetes. I have to get all those permission. Back to IT, request every rebuild from scratch. Once that was ready, I went deeper. So I reached out to another front-end engineer who is already working on AI features. I asked, what have you built? What are people are building right now? What people are working on? Where can I contribute? I got all the materials, Jira tickets. I fed all them into the AI again. I asked, based on my interest, what should I work on? That's when I found a ticket that actually got me excited. It's about visualization AI sub-agents. Imagine you have one main AI agent. Behind the scenes, it calls multiple sub-agents to get more accurate results. Right now, that whole process is not clear at all. It's kind of behind the scene when you ask a question. The task is to improve that, make it more visible. I take that and work on it. That's even though this is day one, I already started contributing Jira. Not because I am rushing to open a PR, or trying to grab a ticket fast, because I want to understand how things actually work. For me, Jira is not just a task list. It's an entry point. I use it to study what patterns already exist, how current implementations are structured, what good looks like in the new codebase. The real goal is how does this AI pattern actually work? How can this connect back to our product? Before coding, I went deeper into the with AI. I'm making you English muffin. Here. You want me to put the egg inside your muffin just like that? Before this, to your table. Give you juice. I tell the AI to explain the repo structure and show key features, and then ask AI to summarize the full picture of general UI flow, clarify what needs to be built on the ticket I picked. After all that, I started coding. Fast forward to the yesterday night. It was late. My kids already fall asleep. The hours are already long. That became my second shift. I've been thinking a lot about my career. I'm a software engineer, a front-end dev. Right now, I'm going through an AI transformation, not just for my company's product, also for my career. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming the fundamental of how we build everything. I made a decision. I want to move into AI engineer, at least know how it works. Not just using AI, but understanding how it works, how systems are designed, and how everything connects. So I decided every night I give myself 1 or 2 hours, not perfect plan, learning what actually matters and how AI systems are structured, how data flows, and where the things break. I'm also a mom. I am not going to let work take over all my life. I still take my kids out, still spend time with them. I still build my life around them. This journey is not just about AI. It's about how I grow my career and while raising kids, while building something meaningful. Here's what I learned today as my first day switching to AI empowered features. If you're also trying to move into AI, especially as a dev, here's what actually helped me today. Number 1, use tickets as learning tools, not just tasks. Don't rush, understand the pattern first. Second, start contributing early, even small changes. I'm coming in. Start contributing early, even small changes force real understanding. Number 3, talk to people for direction, not answers. That's how find a signal fast. Ready? Ask nicely.
Please.
要果汁，可以给我果汁吗？
I want.
You better not ask nicely, okay? Be polite to everyone, especially mama. Number 4, use AI to onboard yourself, repo, architecture, and context. Compress everything. You have to use AI to learn AI. Combine in Jira and also GitHub all those resources together so that you get the full context. This may be the most important shift in my career right now. I'm doing it. If you are also a developer and thinking about moving into AI, or you are just trying to grow your career while juggling life and kids, follow along. I'm going to document this whole journey. That's it. See you in the next one.